A DJI Spark review should mention how very short the battery life is, and perhaps where drones are banned, but that'll be saved for another article. It's actually pretty unfortunate how short the battery is, but at least they rectify the situation somewhat by allowing you to charge it via micro USB cable, and thus a portable power bank. Still, if they want to make the ranks of best VR drones, the battery showing must be a lot better than this. It may not be a highly rated drone, but it works pretty well. Just like the crazy Sonic model Flywing, the DJI Spark Fly More combo is an excellent entry-level drone if you've been thinking about getting one but can't decide on which one to get. Its lightweight means you can easily just throw it in a backpack and be on your way, and the 31 miles per hour top speed is very fun to play around with, yet not too fast that it will overwhelm you. The DJI Spark, when shifted into sport mode via the remote controller, can travel at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. This makes for some interesting drone flying, especially if this is your first drone and you're looking to race it for a little fun. If you're looking for something faster, the DJI Mavic Pro series, specifically the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone, is a good consideration. One of the shortcomings of the DJI Spark is its flight time. At 16 minutes, the battery life isn't exactly stellar. The Auto EVO drone has a more impressive 40 minutes of battery life, so see that one if you want something longer lasting. The good news for the Spark, though, that you can charge it via micro USB cable instead of the charging hub if you're out and about with it and have a power bank with you. Go through our Phantom Pro 4 review that provides up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single battery charge. I'm a bit of a stickler for color variation, so I like that the drone comes in more colors than just alpine white. And while the drone may be small and weigh only about 11 ounces, the main body still feels dense and solid. The propeller guards attach in mere seconds for a quick takeoff out of the box, and you can control it like a Jedi with hand gestures in gesture mode after it finishes scanning your face. The image quality on the DJI Spark is pretty good. Similar to the Contixo F24, the drone is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera that can also film in Full HD, which is unlike the Draken Bugs 3, as it's stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal which, unfortunately, ends up eating some of the pixels off the edges. This is mostly what prevents the drone from shooting in 4K. The drone also features an 82-degree field of view, at least, so you should be able to capture everything you need to. While the drone does seem expensive, it's much more affordable than most drones on the market today. Still, you can try the DJI Mavic Mini if you want something a little more affordable. It should also be noted that the Wi-Fi can be a little spotty if you're operating it with your phone, and the wind tends to push it around because of the drone's lightweight. Also, check out our DJI Spark remote controller review that has Wi-Fi capability. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you are a little helped with this video. Comment us below.